Maharishi Patanjali spent so many sutras to explain that yoga is the control of the perturbations of the mind. And he said you will control the mind with the help of abhyas and vairagya. Practice and detachment. And he explained both of these things in detail. Now he is saying these two will not be enough. You need to do a third thing called Sharanagati. Surrender. Why is Sharanagati necessary? Because the mind is made from the material energy Maya. Maya is not mithya, it's a Shakti of God. So dasi raghubir ki samjhe mithya sopi, छुटई न राम कृपा बिनु नाथ कहूँ पदरोपि. Tulsidas ji says, you can keep on saying mithya, mithya, Maya is not going to go. Sri Krishna gave an atomic shlok, 14th verse of the 7th chapter. He says, Daivi hesha gunamai mama maya duratyaya. Arjun, this Maya is duratyaya. Very difficult to overcome. Why? Mama Maya. It's my Shakti. If you defeat Maya, you have defeated God. Just like the king used to have an army. The opposing king who defeated the army defeated the king. Like that, if you can conquer Bhagavan's Maya, you have conquered God. It has got his punch. If a TB patient uses the hand, even a mosquito may not die. But if Big Khali does this, then somebody can have a heart attack. So the power behind Maya is of God. And that is why no yogi, muni, rishi, tapasvi, jnani, dhyani can challenge, I will conquer Maya. They will all fail. So Arjun says, Maharaj, then how will my kalyan happen? How will I cross this Bhavsagar? Sri Krishna gives the answer in the second line of the same verse. He says, Mam eva ye prapadyante maya metan tarantite. Arjun, if you surrender to me, I will indicate to Maya, leave this soul. This soul has become mine, leave him. Maya says, when Mayapati has given the Agya, then my work is done. Release. Maya, as a Shakti of God, is also serving him. To understand it simply, God has got two kinds of sevaks. One, the sevaks are the Sant, the Mahatma. And the other sevika is the Dasi Maya. The Sant, saints are also serving God. Maya is also serving God. What is the seva of the saints? They explain his personality. Look, Sri Krishna is Akarun, Deen Bandhu, Patit Pavan, Binu Hetu Sanehi. And they try and attract the Jeev to the lotus feet of Bhagavan. But people will not be interested. Why should I listen? I have got no interest. Once Swamiji has come, let him come, I am not interested. So the second Dasi Maya creates trouble for the soul. Adhyatmic dukh, miseries from your own body and your own mind. Adi bhautik dukh, miseries from your relationships. Adi daivik, from natural calamities, heat, cold, etc. So these difficulties are created by Maya, not because Maya is a bad thing, but because Maya is also serving the soul, serving God. Maya says, don't come to me, you go to my Swami. The soul says, oh my God, so much of misery in material direction, I'll go to God. That seva is being done by Maya. So Maya guarantees, Himate anala prakata baru hoi, vimukha ram sukha pavan koi. Any soul who is vimukh of Bhagavan can never be happy. Now you wonder, Swamiji, why is it that people who do bad are so happy and people who do good are miserable? Many people come and ask this question. Why do bad people become so happy? See, this is your misunderstanding. Nobody can be happy who is Vimukh of Ram. You are looking at the externals. Oh my God, this big Tesla car and that big bungalow, this person must be happy. And if you look inside, you'll say, Ram, 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 I'm much better than this. All the Gobar Ganesh he's got inside him. So, the material energy keeps troubling the soul, that the soul go to the shelter of God. And the day the soul does the Sharanagati, Maya says, my work is complete. So to cross over Maya, you need the grace of Mayapati. And God says, I will grace you when you do Sharanagati. We have in our Nyaya Darshan the Marjar Markat Nyaya. Maharishi Gautam has defined the monkey's child, baby monkey, it has to catch its mummy. When the mother jumps from one branch to the other, the responsibility is of the baby to hang on to the mummy. The mother doesn't care. Your job. I once saw a herd of monkeys and the little baby fell off. The mother looked and decided, bye-bye, tata, I am going. You will say, how cruel. But mother says, it was your job, not my job. So this is the markat and the marjar is the cat. The cat holds its kitten. Now the kitten is so tiny, but the cat holds it from behind and lifts it and places it from there to there. The responsibility is of the mother. Likewise, if you say, I am so competent, I am so special, I have done so much of sadhana, God says, okay, go ahead and do it, Markat Nyaya. By your effort you do it. But in Sharanagati we say, oh Bhagavan, I will put my best effort, but my faith is in your grace. Hey Bhagavan, tera hi asara. Now the Marjar Nyaya comes. Like the cat, God says, I will take your responsibility. That Sharanagati was exemplified in the case of Draupadi. When Draupadi was brought in the assembly of the Kauravas to be humiliated because the Pandavas had lost in the game of dice. So she looked at Dushasan, what will he do of mine? My 5 husbands are sitting here, and each of them was a Maharathi. But when Dushasan said, Savdhan, Draupadi saw Bhim. He will get up and with his mace he will break Dushasan's teeth. But Bhimsen put his head down. Draupadi looked at Arjun. Arjun will bring his Gandiv and take care of his head. Arjun also put his head down. One by one they all put their heads down. Draupadi's faith on them finished. She then started depending on the Dharmacharyas. Bhishma was there, Dronacharya, Kripacharya, Vidur. From there also she was disappointed. So she used Swabal Ashray. I can do something. She got the cloth in her mouth. Fact is, Draupadi had tremendous Shakti. She is counted in one of the 5 Kanyas. Now you say, how can she be a Kanya when she had 5 husbands? See, that was externally, but internally, she was a maiden, a Kanya. So she held the cheer in her mouth, but she started remembering Sri Krishna a little bit. Hey Sri Krishna. Sri Krishna was in Dwarka at that time when Draupadi began remembering. He was eating food and he stopped. The morsel in the mouth did not go in and the morsel in the hand did not enter the mouth, and he's looking in front. Rukmini said, Sri Krishna, what kind of Leela is this? What do you mean? I mean, you are Leela Dhari, but what Leela is this? Is there some stone in the food? Hare Rukmini, big trouble has come on Draupadi. So go and help. Sri Krishna said, I have my rules. On Sharanagati, I can do Kripa. Without Sharanagati, I have to do Nyay. So Draupadi is not yet Sharanagat. She is depending on her own strength. I will do something. But when Dushasan pulled, now he had the strength of elephants in him. Now assume that Draupadi also had the strength of elephants. The cloth did not have that strength, it would have torn. Nevertheless, the cloth began slipping. Draupadi realized, now my full faith is only in His grace. So Yogi Sri Krishna Prem, he has put it so nicely. He says the divine grace intervenes only when you are at the end of your tether, for then feeling lost, as you call out with every fiber of your being to save you from your shipwreck. His love answers your call and your heart is flooded with love. His light knelling the doom of centuries of darkness. So Draupadi just left everything, lifted her hands and screamed, Govinda Dwarka Vasan. Oh Sri Krishna in Dwarka, come and save me. The Ambaravatar happened. The sari kept on increasing and Dushasan kept on pulling. He says, Sari bicha nari hai ki nari bicha sari hai ki nari hai ki nari hai ki sari hai. What mill was this cloth made in? And he started sweating and fainted out there. He was unable to humiliate her. So Draupadi's Sharanagati reveals the nature of Sharanagati. Sharanagati doesn't mean, oh Bhagavan, I am a PhD, do Kripa. Oh Bhagavan, I have done 5 Ashwamedh Yajna. I do so much of Mala Jap, do Kripa. Sharanagati means, oh Bhagavan, I have got no sadhan. My faith is in you. Now do Kripa. The principle is, Sharanagati is not the name of a sadhan. It is a state of being sadhanheen. जब लगी गज बल अपनो बरत्यो, नेकू सरियो नहीं काम. As long as Gajaraj depended on his strength, Bhagavan Vishnu did not come. Nirbal हुए जब नाम पुकार्यो, आए आधे नाम. And when Gajaraj did the Sharanagati, Bhagavan came in half a name. So, this Sharanagati, Jagadguru Sri Kripaluji Maharaj, he mentions in his Bhakti Shatak, Sab sadhana sampanna kaha, Poochhat sab sansara. The world runs after those people who are sadhan sampan. He's a millionaire, he's a billionaire. And God does not run after them. Whom does God run after? Sadhanaheen prapanna kaha, Poochhat Nanda Kumar. In simple terminology, nirbal ke balram. So become nirbal doesn't mean I don't do anything. Become nirbal means that from inside you realize your faith is in Him. That is why Bhagavan Ram was instructed by Vasishtha, Karta Bahir, Akarta Antara, Vihara Raghava. Ram, from outside, put in your effort. From inside, cultivate the faith. It is all His doing. Both these will have to be done together. So from outside you do abhyas and vairagya, and from inside you depend on His grace.